Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will multiply decimal fractions by multi-digit whole numbers through conversion to a whole number problem and reasoning about the placement of the decimal. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So what we're going to do today is we are going to multiply 1 and 38 hundredths times 32. Okay, so over here we have a note. So we're going to go ahead and think about the fact that 1.38 or 1 and 38 hundredths times 100 is going to equal 138. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are actually going to go ahead and round. Now this part is going to be a little bit confusing. We're going to put down is about 138, right, times 100. That's what we're going to put over there because that's what we're going to use to help us. Or I'm sorry, not times 100, times 32. So we're going to change 1.38 to 138. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the standard algorithm to solve 138 times 32. So we're going to do 8 times 2, which is 6. We're going to carry the 1. Then we're going to do 3 times 2, which is, this was 3 times 2, which is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 tens. And then we have 1 times 2, which is going to give us 200s. Now we're going to move on to our tens place, and I'm going to go ahead and erase this 1 so it doesn't get us confused. Now we're going to go ahead and put a 0 in the ones place because we're done multiplying our ones. We're now going to multiply by tens. So we have 8 times 3, which is 24. So we're going to put the 4 down there, carry the 2. Now we're going to go ahead and do 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 2 more tens is going to give us 11 tens. We're going to go ahead and carry 10 of those tens over to our hundreds. So now we have 100 times 3. So we have 3 groups of 100, which is going to be 3, but then we need to add 1 more 100, which is going to be 4 thousands, right? Now we're going to go ahead and add everything together. So we have 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. I'm going to carry that 1 to turn it into 100. I have 100 plus 200, which is 300, plus 1 more 100, which is 400, and then I have 4 thousands, right? So I know that 138 times 32 is 4,416, right? But we multiplied our 138 by 100. So now we have to divide 4,416 by 100 to make sure that we go back to 1.38 times 32. So I'm going to go ahead and move everything over to place values because we have to move it back to where it was. So my answer is going to be 44.16. So 1.38 times 32 is going to equal 44 and 1600ths. Okay? 44.1600ths. Right? So we're actually going to go ahead and put that decimal back so it doesn't get too confusing. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, we already did everything. Sorry, guys. So as we said, think that 4,416 is 100 times too large. What is the real product? So because we multiplied our 1.38 times 100, we now have to divide by 100, which is going to give us 44.16. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we multiply decimal fractions by multi-digit whole numbers through conversion, that means changing to a whole number problem and reasoning about the placement of the decimal. All right, everybody. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this makes our multiplying by decimals a little bit easier, decimal fractions a little bit easier. Thank you so much. I'll see you next lesson and have a great day. Bye.